What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do the oil change on the 2019 Camaro and the 84 Corvette and what tools you're going to need to change your oil. Alright, if you guys don't know where to fill the oil at, this is the oil fill area, and that's how you check your oil. A lot of people don't know how to change their oil or check their oil, so alright guys, so we're doing the oil change. Mine was already done, but we're using Valvoline oil, 5W30 synthetic blend for the Camaro, and 10W30 full synthetic for the Corvette. And this is the filter that you guys will need for the Corvette, and then this is the filter you will need for the Camaro. Sorry for it being a little dark, we're using the camera to light this all up for you guys. Alright, if you guys don't know where to add the oil on this crossfire, it's right there. The check your oil is right there with the dipstick. If you guys didn't know that. Alright guys, there you have it. That's how you guys do the oil change on the Camaro and the Corvette. Like always, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and catch you next time.